Hi friends, welcome back to channel. In this video, we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty technical analysis. Before starting the discussion, if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button to get the latest video updates. So let's start the discussion about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. In yesterday's video, we have discussed that if the market sustains above this level, that is 16,900 or 17,000 level, then the market will go up and it can rally up to the 17,000 or 17,100 level. That is this up to this resistance zone. As per our analysis and as per our discussion, the market went up to this 17,100 level and it made a high of 17,119. So in today's market, the complete whole day it traded in a range bound market and it was a narrow range market. So once if the market trades in a narrow range market, there is a possibility of breakout either upside or downside. But when I was going through this RSI, this Nifty 50 was trading at 60 levels. The Nifty in Nifty 50, the RSI went up to the 60 level, and from there the 60 level is acting as a good resistance point, and from there the RSI has came down. Whenever the market is in downtrend, the 60 level RSI will be acting as a good resistance point. So this is indicating that the market can fall tomorrow. And apart from this, when we check about this price action also, the market is at its resistance zone. So this is acting as a good resistance zone. If the market has to move up, then it would have rallied today itself, but it didn't rally today. So we can expect that in today's session, most of the profit booking has been happened, and we can expect a panic or liquidation in tomorrow's session. So if the market closes below this 17,000 mark tomorrow, then we can expect a good fall in the Nifty 50. Or if the market rallies and if the market closes above this 17,120 or 115 level, that is today's high, then we can expect a good rally and we can expect a rally up to this 17,300 level. But I'm expecting a fall in tomorrow's market most probably. So this is all about the probability, and I'm expecting a fall. And if the market falls tomorrow, the first thing we will notice is that this is a gap closure, and if the market opens gap down opening, then it will become an Allen cluster pattern. So this is about a good signal that if the market opens gap down, then it will continuously fall up to this 16,900 or 16,800 levels. So for tomorrow's the upside target will be like 17,300, and coming to the downside target, it will be like 16,900 to 16,800 level. And coming to the individual levels, today the market has closed at 17,072 level, and if the market goes up and if the market sustains above this 17,094 or 17,108 level, and if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a rally up to this 17,165 level. And if the market sustains above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to the 17,258 level. So this point exactly coincides with our upper target, that is 17,300 level. But if the market has to move up, then the market has to break at least this 17,108 level and it has to sustain above this level. Then only we can expect a further rally up to these levels. And if the market doesn't sustain above these levels and the market reverses from these levels, then we can expect a fall up to the 17,054 level. And if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to the 16,997 level. This 16,997 level will be acting as a good support point because the 17,000 is a round number, and these round numbers will be acting as a good support point both emotionally and psychologically also. So if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to the 16,921 point. So the daily target for tomorrow is 16,997 in the downside, and the upside we can consider this 17,165 level, and the extreme targets will be like 17,258 on the upper side and 16,921 levels on the downside. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. And coming to the technical analysis of Bank Nifty, in yesterday's video we have discussed that Bank Nifty is at its resistance point and it has closed above this trend line also. This trend line is acting as a good resistance point, and this is a long-term trend line, and the market has closed above this trend line. And in yesterday's video we have discussed that if the market sustains above this level, then it can rally up to this resistance zone and it can close this gap which was formed due to the breakaway gap. So as per our expectations and as per our discussions, the market opened gap up and it eventually came down, and again it went up. So while the market was going up, it almost closed the gap, and narrowly it missed it, and again it came down. So the reason for coming down in this bank nifty is that RSI is same, similar to that of the nifty 50. The RSI in bank nifty, it is trading at like 60 levels. It went up to the 60 level, and from there it came down. From there the RSI reversed, and now it is trading around like 58 or 57 levels. Then apart from this, there was a minor trend line in the bank nifty, that this is trend line indicating a minor correction or minor pullback in the downtrend. So in today's market, this bank nifty has closed below this trend line, that is the trend line has been broken and the market has closed below this level. So if the market sustains below this trend line tomorrow, then we can expect a further fall up to this trend line. This is a long term trend line, and that is up to this 35,000 mark. And if the market closes below this 35,000 mark, then we can expect a further fall up to this 34,600 to 34,500 level. So this will be acting as a good support point, and when coming to the upper side, this 35,600 will be acting as a good resistance point, and in the downside you can expect the 34,500 or 34,600 will be acting as a good support point. So most probably the market will come down, because the bank nifty has already came down of it out of its this bullish corrective pattern, because in downtrend the corrective pattern will be on upper side. So the bank nifty has closed below this trend line, so I'm expecting a fall in the bank nifty. If the bank nifty falls, then obviously in the nifty also comes down, because the bank nifty has a major weightage in the nifty 50, so it contributes around 37% of the nifty 50 weightage. So bank nifty mostly it will pulls the nifty 50 down, or else nifty 50 can move sideways, similar to the today's session. So coming to the individual levels of the bank nifty, in today's session bank nifty has closed at 35,191 mark, and if the market moves up and closes above this level, and if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to this 35,460 mark. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 35,730 level. And if the market doesn't sustain above this level, and if the market reverses from this level, then we can expect a fall up to this 35,134 level. And if the market closes below this level, and if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to this 34,950 level. And this 34,950 level, we can consider this as the daily target, and if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a fall up to this 34,709 level. And we can see that this 34,700 and this 35,730 level, both these levels can be seen in the chart also, and both these levels are coinciding both technically and as per my individual calculations also. So this 34,950 level will be acting as a good support point for the daily target, and this 35,460 will be acting as a good resistance point. So this 460 will be acting as a daily target, and 950 will be acting as a downside daily target. So friends, this is about the Nifty and Bank Nifty technical analysis. If you have liked this video, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button to get the latest video updates. Thank you. Jai Hind.